One Jamaica, one song. DJBUMMA Production. DJBUMMA Production. Listen, this is not a diss, this is not a war. This is a message from the heart to every producer, every disc jockey, every artist, every musician, every songwriter, every selector, every promoter. This one is for Jamaica. If one of us wins, Jamaica wins. If one of us falls, Jamaica feels it. So listen, producer build the rhythm, artists write the songs. This jockey carry the music and keep the dance alive all night long. Without the producer, there is no rhythm. Without the artist, there is no song. Without the disc jockey, the music cannot reach the people. So tell me, why are we fighting? Why are we divided? Why are we pulling down the same people who help build the culture? Too much pride, too much jealousy, too much bad mind, too much division. It's time to change. One Jamaica, one sound. Lift your brother, don't pull him down. One Jamaica, one voice. Unity is always the stronger choice. Producer, this jockey, artist, stand together. The whole world is watching us. This jockey, artist, stand together. The whole world is watching us. Every day another argument, every day another video, every day another interview, every day another disrespect. The internet never forgets. Words travel faster than music, it spreads faster than love. But respect lasts forever. The fans don't want confusion, they want good music, good vibes, good memories. Give them something to celebrate. Remember where we started, from little studios, small communities, tiny dancers, street corners, sound systems, backyard sessions. Big dreams, small pockets, but one heart. Jamaican music traveled around the world. Reggae dance our roots, lovers rock. The whole world knows our sound. So why should we fight each other? African blood runs through our veins. Strength, courage, wisdom, that is who we are. Our ancestors survived, they never gave up. Don't let pride destroy what generations built. Today you're healthy, tomorrow nobody knows. Life changes quickly. Money cannot stop time, fame cannot stop time, success cannot stop time. One day, every one of us will leave this earth. So while we're here, show love, show respect. Give people their flowers while they can still smell them. One Jamaica, one sound. Lift your brother, don't pull him down. One Jamaica, one voice. Unity is always a stronger choice. Producer, this jockey, artist, stand together. But one is jockey, artist, stand together. When one artist reaches the top, Jamaica reaches the top. When one producer creates a hit, Jamaica celebrates. When one disc jockey breaks a new song, the culture grows stronger. Nobody wins alone, we all need each other. That's the truth. Stop the hate, stop the envy, stop the gossip, stop the division. Shake hands, show respect, build together, grow together, win together. The children are watching, the next generation is learning from us. Teach them respect, teach them unity, teach them that success doesn't come from tearing people down, it comes from lifting people up. Real strength is helping someone else succeed. One Jamaica, one people, one culture, one sound. Producer, disc jockey, artist, musician, songwriter, selector, promoter. Let's stand together, let's build together, let's rise together. When Jamaica stands together, nobody can stop us. The music becomes stronger, the culture becomes stronger, the people become stronger, and the whole world will hear one message, one love. One Jamaica, one sound. DJBUMMA Production. To every producer, every disc jockey, every artist, this is bigger than all of us. Leave the hate behind, leave the jealousy behind, leave the arguments behind. Build the music, build the culture, build the future. Because at the end of the day, we are one people, one family, one Jamaica, and together we are unstoppable. DJBUMMA Production. One Jamaica, one sound, forever.